the day to build the Dominos Tower. This will be medium-sized tower. Now here, now here, now here, then here, here.
Then what you are going to do?
Now put here. Now put here. This. Now put here. Up.
What are you building actually?
I am building the tower, medium-sized tower.
Okay. Can it be broken
Yes,
after you build?
yes.
Okay.
Oh.
When it will be finished?
16 hours.
16 hours. Oh, then I have to wait half a day.
Give me orange, give me orange.
Orange color. Do it with the green because orange there is there with the box. So please do it with the green.
I have to bring the green first.
Don't you like this green color?
No,
Why?
that's not look good.
Okay. From whom you know this making this domino tower?
By myself.
By yourself? Then you are a genius. Nobody had taught you.
No. Now it's done.
Wow,
Now
yes.
it's great.
Don't break it. Please don't break it. Please don't break it. Please. Okay. What you are doing now?
I am preparing for the baby.
Preparing for the breaking. Okay. Do you think this all 4 dominoes can break this tower?
Yes.
Wow!